Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Buick Encore GX Essence. This is, of course, the Essence trim level, which I think might be top of the line, if not really close to it. Good amount of cargo space, based on the same platform as the Opel Adam, as well as the new Chevy Trailblazer. Good amount of rear seat room. One thing that always gets me is how big the fuel door is for the size of the car. I mean, just take a look at that. It's massive. Ebony Twilight Metallic over Whisper Beige and Ebony Accents. This is the 1.3 liter turbo with the 9-speed automatic and a total price of $31,990. With the Essence trim, you get the full leather seats as well as some different headlights. They're more LED and projector headlights. Nice and warm in here. What's nice is the headliner has some give to it. Makes it feel a little bit more luxurious. All the materials you're going to be feeling are all soft touch materials, except for, of course, the harder plastics. Right there, it is rubberized. That's hard plastic. Stitching here. That is real stitching all right through there. Alright. So the stitching that's up here is molded as part of this top of the dash. But it still has the texture of stitching. But all the stitching through the leather parts is all completely real. This is softer touch. Okay, not bad at all. Not bad. That's soft touch. No, it's a really nice interior. Buick emblem, of course, on the airbag cover. That's loud. Same infotainment system as all the basic Chevys. Really nice, easy to use. But yeah, without further ado, put it into drive. You also have a couple buttons here. You have all-wheel drive on. You can shut off your auto start stop, your lane keep assist, as well as your traction control. But without further ado, let's go ahead and take the Encore GX for a drive. Like I stated before, in Europe, the Encore GX is known as the Opel Adam, O-P-E-L-A-D-A-M. If you look at pictures of them, this looks pretty similar to it. That's because Opel is a GM brand. Just like Holden is a branch off of Chevrolet for Australia. Even though Holden is no longer, but we'll glance over that. This is kind of not the smallest. The Encore gets that title, but this little bit larger of an Encore. Kind of if the tracks and the normal Encore are a little bit too small for you, just like they kind of are for me. I want something a little bit beefier. That's where you have the GX. Whereas if you want the small little SUV, you still have your Chevy Trax and the normal Encore. ride is not bad at all. It's a little bit firmer. It's a more sporty kind of feel, but it's not overbearing. It doesn't beat you up on rougher roads. Brakes are absolutely phenomenal. And handling is just so good. With the shorter wheelbase, it just makes it very, very nimble, and it doesn't have a top-heavy feeling. The suspension is nicely sorted out for the tighter, twistier roads. Three-cylinder has a very distinctive sound, and that is not an insult. It does sound really, really good, and it's a lot better than your typical raspy four-cylinder sound. It kind of makes it seem a little bit more luxurious, just because you don't have your typical four-cylinder sound coming from under the hood. Super easy to park. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.